What's up, guys? Welcome back to Smiley Likes It Spicy. It's me, your host and your cook, Smiley, and today I'm so happy to tell you that I'm cooking my first Haitian meal, and I actually have a recipe for it. Haitian don't have recipes. It took me 3 days to write this down and make it in a way that I can actually count it and do it the same way every time. So we're making a Pikliz, Plaintains, and tassot, which is the whole Haitian vibe going on today. So I can't wait for you guys to see what it's all about. If you have any questions, text me on my Instagram, Smiley Likes It Spicy. And if you have any recommendation, please send them to me because I will make anything you ask me to make, literally anything. So I'm not gonna hold you too long, and I'll get right into the making of the food. The first thing I'll show you how to make is the Haitian spice because that's my main flavor in the meat. I'll use 12 garlics, 1/2 turnip, a few celeries. I'll use a handful of cilantro. I'm going to use 1 hot pepper and half a pepper, half a leek, and 4 green onions. I'll use 2 measuring cups for oil and vinegar and 1 chicken broth cube. I'm going to cut my ingredients so I can incorporate it in the blender. Just so you guys know, you will not use all that spice. I'm just making a big batch. One other thing that people could add in the Haitian spice is onions, but I did not have enough onions to make both pickles and spices, so I had to choose. But yes, I know some of my Haitians out there put onions as well. Now that I'm done preparing all the ingredients, I'll add 1/4 cup of vinegar and 1/3 cup of oil. That will be the liquid in the blender so we can all go in together because all the ingredients will stay in place if I don't put any liquid. So now I'll blend it all together and it looks so beautiful. I wish you guys could see it closer. I will set my mix aside so I can start with the meat. I will cut all the undesired little piece of fat and veins on the meat, and I'll cut it in big cubes. I don't know how sensitive you guys are about seeing raw meat, but it means nothing to me because I touch it every day at work. But if it makes you feel weird, just please look away because the rest of the video is about to be good. Once I'm done cutting my meat, I'll go ahead and wash it because if my mom sees me not washing my meat, she will come and get me. So I will put some salt and some sour orange juice that I found in the market, which is really cool because I always bought actual orange. But yeah, I will put that mix it all together and then wash it. And then I'll start by adding my spices. I will go with the Haitian meat, some beef broth, which I really like because it's a little bit salty already. And I'll add some soy sauce, which we call sauce anglaise in Haiti. I will add some salt as well, of course, and I'll mix it all together and let it rest while I go ahead for my second step. If you want the actual measurements, they will be on my description below. Now I will heat up my pan and cook the beef. I ended up making more meat because I had other people coming over. But basically, I will just put the meat right in there. I don't need any oil or nothing because there's already fat in the beef. And I will not need any water because the blood will get out of the beef, which will make it smaller. But there will also be liquid for it to cook properly. As you can see, there's already a lot of liquid, and that's how I could taste if the beef is as much flavorful as I want it to be. I will let the beef cook while I go ahead and make my pickles. Now, I'm really sorry you guys cannot see exactly what I'm doing, but this mandolin was really hard to work with at first because I had to use the thing that I put on top, but I just ended up going raw after because I'm not scared of this. So I'm gonna cut some carrots, red onions, and cabbage. Cabbage is really important. It's like the soul of the pickles. And then I'll show you guys after what mix that I put into the pickles to make it flavorful. I will show you a close-up so you don't miss anything. I will start by peeling 4 cloves of garlic, and please enjoy seeing me struggling with this. Just kidding, I love peeling garlics, that's my dream job. Okay, we'll fast forward this, and once I'm done peeling the garlic, I will add 1 pepper and a half. Just be careful when you're touching the pepper, because if it's really spicy, it will get in your hands for a long time, even if you wash it, unless you wash it with like the Haitian soap that I know, but I'm pretty sure you won't find it. I will add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of that great sour orange juice that I found, and I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt as well, and hand blend that all together and then put it in my Pikliz mix. Also, I almost forgot, you need to add 1/3 of a chicken broth cube, which we call Maggie in Creole. So this, I'll put it in the Pikliz and mix that all well together. And again, make sure you don't touch it like I'm doing right now, because that's really dangerous if you're going to scratch your eyes. I will also add some peppers because I forgot, but that's a really important ingredient. I will add some peppers in there, mix it again, and let it rest. I'm gonna leave it rest for at least 20 minutes so that all the sugar from the cabbage comes out and that the taste really, like, it's you will see. So my Pikliz is done. I'll set it aside and show you how to peel a plantain. If I can do it, anyone can do it because I suck at it. But basically, you gotta cut the tip and then run your knife into the middle, but like right where the line is, and then the tip of your thumb will go inside, but make sure you don't like break the skin as much as possible because it's harder to get in there again. And whatever little more skin you have on that, you can just scrap it up with your knife. That's basically it. So now I'll heat up my oil while I'm cutting the other vegetables, and once it's hot, I will put everything in there and let it cook golden, like I'll say like a pretty color yellow. Once I see that color and when I press it in, it's easily pressable, I will take it off. Like, I don't really know how to explain that to you guys. It's just see it and you know it's done. So I'll take it off and press them while I'm frying my second batch. You will not see a close-up of me pressing the plantains, but it's pretty easy. You just gotta get a plantain presser. There's that everywhere in Haiti. Or worst case scenario, you can use 2 plates and then like 2 bottom of plates and then press the plantain together, so it can be really flat, as flat as possible without it breaking. So when you fry it the second time, it can be really crispy. Once this one is done, I'll take it off as well, and you will see the difference of the color if you go backwards. Once all my plantain is pressed, I will make a water salted mix, which is pretty easy. I will make it pretty salty, as much as I'd like my plantain to be salty. Some people could just add salt on top of the plantain, but I'd rather do that so you can still have a little bit of moist in the plantain. So I'll take the plantains, put them in the water for like 5 seconds max so it doesn't break up, and fry it on really hot oil. I will repeat that with my other plantains. I think I will leave it for maybe 5 minutes. I wasn't sure, but my oil was hot, and once I see the really golden color, that's when I know it's ready and I take it off. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I burned the tongue while I was taking out the plantain, because I don't know what I was thinking, taking plantain out of oil with a plastic tongue. But anyway, now going back to my meat, I will fry it also on a really hot oil because I just want a color on top of it. It's already a cooked meat. I just want the color and the crispiness outside. I will leave this for 2 minutes max and take it right out. As you can see, after like 2 minutes, the color is already looking really good. I will put it on a paper so the oil gets out of it, and I will fry my second batch and start plating. I will not show you guys when I plate because it might be boring, but you will see the final product. And there it is with the plantain, Pikliz in the middle. I put some parsley on top just so it can be a little bit more colorful, and the sun is just acting so right on this. I had so much fun making this. This is my favorite meal, and I really hope you guys will try to make it too. I'll see you next time and have a good day.